I just grabbed my sunglasses to do it, but you don't have to have sunglasses. This is just to show you what to do, right? So you want to take paper and block off about the top half, maybe a little bit more, maybe 2/3. And what happens is that when you put these on, when you want to look at something, you're going to have to tilt your head up and bring it back so that you can see the screen straight in front of you without any paper. Here, the paper blocks. Here, it doesn't. You also want to maintain your other good posture, but it helps to reset the connection in the brain to make a good posture so that you can mitigate and get the curve back in your neck from forward head posture or text neck or whatever you want to call it. So this way, you can't cheat. So let's just say you're gonna, oh, I did put my phone here. So let's just say you're gonna use your phone. If I go down, I'm gonna be blocking, but if I'm using my phone, I need to hold it up so that I can see.